In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create a task using a web-based application. Let's dive right in. Firstly, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you should see a prominently displayed plus button, often represented by the symbol plus. Clicking on this button is your gateway to adding new elements within the application. So go ahead and click that button to begin the process of creating your task. Once you've clicked the plus sign, you'll be presented with a small menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Task. This will open up the task creation window where you can input all the essential details for your task. It's here where you really get to customize and organize your tasks to suit your needs. The first field that you'll encounter in this window is the title section. This is where you'll give your task a name. Think of it as a brief yet clear statement that captures the essence of what you need to do. A well-chosen title can make it significantly easier to manage and prioritize your tasks later on. Next, move on to the date and time fields. Here you'll specify when you want to complete or begin working on this task. It's crucial to be as precise as possible. Setting an exact date and time helps you schedule your day more efficiently and boosts your productivity by keeping you on track. Following this, consider if this task is something that you need to do repeatedly. If so, you'll want to explore the repeat options. Clicking on the repeat section will allow you to set this task as a recurring one, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often it needs to be revisited. This feature can be particularly useful for tasks that are part of your usual routine, providing a seamless reminder for consistency. Once you've filled in all these details, take a moment to review them for accuracy. At this point, ensure everything reflects your intentions, from the title and date to the repeat settings. It's always beneficial to double check this information to avoid potential confusion later on. Finally, when you are happy with the details you've entered, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or off to the side of your task input window. Clicking Save will finalize your task, storing it within your planner or task management system, ensuring it's there when you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a task using the web version of this application. By following these steps, you can enjoy the organized structure that defined tasks bring to your schedule, allowing for more efficient time management. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.